Alright guys, we're on this 2020 Kia Optima. We're gonna do the front. I'm gonna resurface the front rotors and do the brake pads. But I noticed that there's a CV axle boot torn. It's leaking out all the grease. So I'm gonna let the customer know about that and see if he wants to change it or just leave it like that. I'll change it. And let's get to it. Alright, yeah, so it's two size 14 sockets. Hang the brake caliper up there with the hook. The brake pads, take them off. I'm gonna re-grease these pins and then take off the rotor, go get it resurfaced. Alright guys, now I'm gonna take off these bolts back here. And this one up here. Let's move this hose out of the way. And now we just take off these two screws. There's one right here and there's another one on the other side. So to resurface, the rotor was at that measurement and service limit 1623.4. So I'm gonna go to resurface. Alright guys, so after adjusting the machine, because I had done drum brakes last time, adjusted it, fixed it, got the bow on, tightened it up, got it to where it's at. Let's get it going. Now let's go to the other side now. Some thread locker for the brake caliper bracket. Now we're gonna add a little bit of these two pins. They're dry, pretty dry. Putting it back together, just the caliper left. Now we're gonna do the other side. The other side, all said and done. Re-grease these always. Always put thread locker on the back bolts of the bracket. Tighten them good to torque. So ready to go put the tires back on, torque the tires, test drive it, send it out. I totally forgot about the CV axle. Gotta take the tire off again, take the CV axle off. But for now, I'm gonna do an alignment.